I quote scripture and cite peer-reviewed studies in the same sentence. I respect good doctors, and I question institutions. I can preserve a season's worth of food in my kitchen, and I still use the internet to research it. I'm not running from the modern world. I'm just not dependent on it. I'm not confused. I just refuse to pick a lane that doesn't exist. Stick around, because that lane is exactly what this channel is all about. I'm HopeGirl, and this channel is called Eyes Open, Hands Dirty. That means paying attention to what's actually going on in the world and doing the work in your faith, in your health, your kitchen, your garden, and how you think about the news. Every video here either opens your eyes to something that matters or puts something useful in your hands. We dig into biblical wisdom for real life. My ultimate allegiance is to Christ, not a party, not an agency, not even this channel. And everything else I say has to fit inside of that. We break down current events and what's really happening in the world. I'm not on a team here. I'll show you exactly what's actually being reported and what different sides genuinely believe, and trust you to weigh it for yourself. We also explore science and technology that's about to change how you live. Facts first, straight from the source, then a lens of faith, because a few of us see real parallels worth sitting on. The conclusion is yours to reach, not mine to hand you. And we get our hands dirty, homesteading, preserving, building real skills that make you capable, not dependent. For everyday health, I lean on what I was raised with and my own research. Informed, not instructed. And for anything accurate or an emergency, that's exactly what the hospitals and doctors are for. And I'm glad they exist for that. I built a channel once before, about 14 years of work, no violations, and I lost it overnight when my account was hacked. So I'm starting over, from scratch. And if you're somebody who has had to rebuild something too, your faith, your health, your finances, or just your sense of who to trust, you're in good company here. Proverbs 4:7 says, wisdom is the principal thing, so get wisdom. And with everything you get understanding, not certainty, not a hot take handed to you. Understanding, the slow kind that you build yourself. That's really what this channel is trying to hand you. So that's who this is for. The longtime believer, the skeptic, somewhere in between, or you just searched how to pressure can your food and ended up here. You are welcome. I'm not asking you to agree with everything I believe. I'm asking you to see the sources, weigh the evidence, and land somewhere honest. New videos every week. So eyes open, hands dirty, let's get to work.